Welcome to the DA4 presentation, Information Technology Examination Answering Techniques. I'm here to present the guide in the IT section of DA4. I'm Emilia Kara Simtenda, the consultant for Zika. DA4 paper is a combination of information technology and communication. It has the following learning outcomes of the syllabus. On successfully completing DA4, the student should be able to demonstrate the core skills needed to operate a personal computer in a business environment. Use spreadsheets to facilitate the presentation of information. Describe the elements of an organization's information technology infrastructure. Explain how accounting systems and databases can effectively be utilized by an organization. Explain how the quality and security of information systems can be protected. Explain the principles and processes of effective communication. Demonstrate the communication skills expected of an accountant in an organization. Demonstrate the appropriate written communication skills. Demonstrate appropriate oral communication skills. Now, DA4 comprises of the following topics and the weight that they cover in the syllabus. The topics are as follows. Information technology skills has a weight of 10%. Spreadsheets has a weight of 10%. Organizational information structure has a weight of 10%. Accounting information systems and databases has a weight of 10%. Information system quality and security has a weight of 10%. Principles and processes of effective communication has a weight of 10%. Communication in organizations has 10%. Demonstration processes, written communication skills has 20%. Oral communication has 10%. So IT in all has a weight of 50% to cover the entire paper, which are the first 5. Information technology skills, which covers 10% of the entire paper, would look at the common types of hardware and software used within a business organization. You need to describe the common types of computer hardware and software used within a business organization. You need to identify the different types of computers used using speed and the size. State computer hardware devices as inputs, outputs, and storage. The basic skills involved in operating a computer include the Microsoft Windows, email, and the internet. You need to describe the basic skills involved in operating a computer, including the tasks and features of Microsoft Windows. Need to explain the access to the internet, the usage of email, including searching and downloading information online, listing other common operating systems used in businesses. The basic skills involved in using application packages. Explain the basics involved in operating word processing and spreadsheet software. Distinguish between off-the-shelf application and written from scratch application. List other application softwares that can be used as well. The basic computer operations and security. You need to explain the importance of using passwords and backups when operating a personal computer. Describe the basic troubleshooting of a standalone computer and other simple computer checks. The spreadsheet topic has a weight of 10%. You need to have an understanding of features of spreadsheet software. Explain what spreadsheet software is and recognize the Microsoft Excel as an example of spreadsheet software. Outline the common features of spreadsheet software. and explain a micro included to use in a spreadsheet. Use a spreadsheet software in a day-to-day work of an accountant. As an accountant, you need to explain the uses of spreadsheet softwares to the accountant. Use the use of computer control to prevent amendments and deletions of spreadsheets. Demonstrate basic skills in formatting a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet skills of an accountant: demonstrate the ability to import the common separate values and other files into a spreadsheet. Summarize the data on a spreadsheet by filtering and sorting the data. Interpret absolute and relative frequency in a spreadsheet. Compute the functions as follows: the totals, the maximum, the minimum, the if, the sum if, the count, the counter, count if. Explain other methods of presenting information, including tables, bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs. Organization information infrastructure has a weight of 10%. The main elements of an organization information system, where you need to describe the main elements of an organization information system. You need to describe an information system and the different types of information systems. Explain the role of information and information system within an organization.
Take your career prospects to the next level with Zika.
Our diploma in accountancy is an essential qualification if you're planning on entering the accounting profession.
The Zika tax program at both certificate and diploma level equips you with an enhanced understanding of the field of taxation.
Our diploma in public sector financial management is ideal for accountants or trainee accountants working in the public sector.
And CA Zambia, a respected designation designed to ensure that graduates are highly trained to hold senior positions in the workplace.
You can study through flexible options like self-study as well as part-time or full-time through our accredited tuition providers.
Zika sponsors the top CA Zambia graduate to the One Young World Summit for Young Leaders and also offers scholarships to the top university accountancy graduates from recognized universities.
Visit zika.co.zm now for more information or find us on Facebook and LinkedIn.
Don't delay, your future awaits.
Common issues arising from the introduction of the network. Identify control issues arising from the introduction of a network. Clarify the control issues in client-server or peer-to-peer categories. Accounting information systems and databases have a weight of 10%. Types of accounting information systems and their roles. Explain the role of accounting information systems in business and how they contribute to the organization's value chain. Comprehend the type of accounting information systems. Role of the database. Explain the role of databases in an accounting information system. Recognize the common types of data processing. Outline the role of enterprise resource planning systems. Describe types of data processing, including batch processing and online processing. Note the real-time processing falls under online processing. Describe data warehousing and data mining. Ethical implication of accounting information systems. Explain the ethical implication of accounting information systems. Explain the social issues of accounting information systems. Describe the importance of ethical and social issues. Information system quality and security has a weight of 10%. Importance of data quality and security. Describe the importance of data quality and security. Outline the data principles and how to control and apply the principles in an organization. Describe the procedural control, technical control, and control mix. Common threats to data quality and security. Describe the common threats to data quality and security. Explain the security controls associated with network. Then the types of controls used to encounter the threats to data quality and security. Explain the types of control used to counter the threats to data quality and security. Explain the success of social networks, including the security issues associated with a personal website. Now, under DA4, as I earlier mentioned, the IT section is what is just being explained. So when we look at the IT section broadly, look at the following distinct areas that you need to concentrate on as an accountant that is attempting the paper. The use of the computer by an accountant and its software. Accountants are not IT specialists. They are expected to have at least reasonable practical knowledge of information technology. The type of information systems an accountant may encounter, and the issues of information quality and security. For accountants in an executive position, it is necessary that they have a working knowledge of the following application software: Office Suite, Executive Information Systems, Decision Support Systems, and Knowledge-Based Systems. You need to be comfortable with all areas of the syllabus that have been outlined to you with the percentages of weights that were given to you. Wider reading will help you understand the main type of IT systems available to business. Make sure you understand exactly what the question is asking you. The marks allocated to the question should be a guide to you on how much is required or to be written down to answer it adequately. Time management is very, very important. Allocate your time evenly to each question. When answering questions, it is important to answer the question as it is asked. Do not attempt to write everything that you know on a particular area if not relevant. Be precise and straight to the point. Read the question twice to understand before you start writing the solutions. Use the 15 minutes reading time before starting to write down your solutions for planning purposes. Leave time to check your solutions at the end to identify and correct any mistakes. The scenario questions are meant to help you relate the practical situations in business industry with the knowledge or skill that you acquire when studying your profession. The common mistakes exhibited by students in an exam. Some students do not start answering a question on a new page in an answer booklet provided. Most students do not pay attention on grammar, spellings, especially questions that they do not explain. Students leave blank pages in between written pages of the answer booklet. Some students' handwriting is very difficult to read, hence marking it becomes difficult to read the correct answer. Most students who attempt spreadsheet questions tend to make mistakes and lose marks on practical questions with the wrong formula that they write down. Some students forget to start a formula with an equal sign. Some students fail to differentiate a formula with a function. Some students write a function correctly but fail to use the correct syntax to complete the answer. Most students who answer questions on computer hardware indicate elements of computer information systems instead of indicating different types of computers such as mainframes, mini computers, microcomputers, and so forth. Questions asking about the main elements of an organization information systems. Students write about the elements of physical computer hardware. Database and database management system are often misunderstood by most students. Instead of explaining the database management system, they just give a definition of a database. Students usually concentrate on answering advantages of a database, disregarding what has been asked by the examiner. Most students fail to differentiate the computer lookup and hardware lookup clearly, but manage to explain how to resolve each computer lookup problem. Now, the exam paper has the following format. Section A is multiple choice, and the first 5 questions are IT questions which carry 2 marks each. So you get 10 marks from section A. Section B, you need to select 2 questions out of 3 questions, and each question will carry 20 marks. So in total, you have 40 marks from section A. So the entire paper, as I earlier explained, the weight percentage of IT is 50%, 10% from section A, 40% from section B. The remaining 50% is awarded towards communication skills. Thank you very much, learners. I hope you'll be able to answer your DA4 examination paper effectively and well in future. Thank you very much.